Hi there, today we're unboxing a Bluetooth speaker. So this particular one is by a company called Ultimate Ears. The model is MEGABOOM 3. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So a couple of things to mention about this Bluetooth speaker. It has 360-degree sound on there. Battery life is supposedly 20 hours and it's IP67 rated, and they say it can be submerged in water up to 30 minutes. So let's take a quick look around the packaging. Comes nicely packaged, picture of the actual speaker here, coming round there, just a picture of it submerged. Some details there regarding the speaker, it's multi-language, and just highlighting it's got controls on the top. You can pair multiple speakers together as well, just to note. Turning here, another picture. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging, so let me quickly go through them one by one. Got a small booklet here, and this says important information, safety, compliance, and warranty details, and this is multi-language. Next, you've got some instructions here, multi-language again. If I open it up, basic details on starting this up and using it, and again, multi-language as well. Next, you've got a charge cable here, details regarding that, and the fact it's not waterproof if it's connected to the speaker. Cable quality feels very good, a nice thick cable on there, and it's flat as well, just to note. One end is micro USB and the other end is USB. Next, let's take a look at the power brick. Small compact design to it. You've got the USB connection point there, Ultimate Ears on the back. So over here you've got a connection point, so we'll go for that one, which is for the UK. Now, in terms of output, if I come round, you can just see up there 5 volts, 2 amps. Now, to set this up, you just take the adapter and push it straight on, and there you go, you're ready to use this straight away. Let's take a look at the Bluetooth speaker. In terms of height, it's 22.5 centimeters, diameter is 8 centimeters. At the front here, you've got some material in terms of finish, 360-degree speaker. You've got volume control, plus and minus there. You've got a power on button, you've got a control to control the music, and an indicator for Bluetooth. Coming around here, all rubbery finish, all matte as well, just to note, not shiny. Speaker's a little bit shiny, and this is obviously the green one, as you can see. Coming around here, all rubber there as well, and at the bottom here you've got the charging point, just to show. And that's it. Build wise, it does feel good, and a bit of a different in terms of design, so having the buttons on the front for increasing volume and decreasing. The feel of the buttons is good from what I can tell so far. Let's make a start at setting up this speaker. Button just over here, if I hold on to that, there you go, it's turned on. Now over here is the pairing button for Bluetooth. On my mobile phone, if I drop this down, click on the Bluetooth icon, and if I now hold on to here, there you go, now it's in pairing mode. If we scroll down, MEGABOOM 3 here, and that icon, that's the one we want to go for. Bluetooth pairing request, pair with MEGABOOM 3, okay to that. And there you go, it's connected. It's as simple as that to get connected. Now we can play music straight away from it. So I've got some music here. If I turn it down from my mobile, I can control it there. Like any other standard Bluetooth speaker, go for max. Pretty loud. Now coming over here, you've got a plus, and if I press that repeatedly, you can see the volume increasing on my phone, mirroring it, what's happening on the device. Click down there and it reduces. And it's simple as that. You've got some special functionality here. If I click there,
to use this feature, please make sure your app is running and can access the internet.
Okay, so with this Bluetooth speaker, there's an app. Now, if I go to my Android phone, go to the Play Store, and we search for Ultimate Ears, that's the app, so let's install it. App's installed, let's click open. Allow Boom to access this device's location. I'll select allow only while using the app. This is if you want to opt in to share analytics data with them. I'll cancel that. And there you go. the app's installed now, and this is what you're presented with. Now, if I click there, just to show settings, so this is a speaker name. You can rename it if you wanted to. Coming back, alarm, so you can set an alarm to go off on the speaker. Speaker sounds allow the speaker tones to indicate pairing, power on, power off, maximum volume and minimum volume. That's quite useful. So if you wanted it, you could have it. If you don't want it, you can turn it off. Speaker language, these are the languages available. Launch your music, quick access to your music. So add playlist albums from your music service. Use the magic button to access them. So that's the button just over here in the middle. So that's the magic button. Coming back from there, you've got party up, sticky party. If you want to create a party that goes everywhere with you, turn on sticky party, turn sticky party up, which will enable your group speakers to play together whenever you are ready to party. Public, turning on the public setting allows other people to connect to your speaker with their party up feature. Who doesn't want to join in the party right away? Okay, so that's on at the moment. Then you've got help. If I click on there, got different details, so connect speaker, how to support acknowledgement and privacy. Coming down, you've got the serial number for the speaker, speaker firmware, app version and phone OS. If we come back from there, you've got these options available. If I click there, turn off speaker. Are you sure you want to turn your speaker off? I'll say turn off. Okay, it's turned off. Let's see if we can turn it on again. Nice, it can turn on. Next, you've got volume control. So reduce the volume, increase the volume, and then you've got equalizer settings here. So there's standard equalizers, cramped spaces, voices, bass jump, and custom. Coming back from there, launch your music, get started. So these are the services, Amazon Music, Deezer, and Spotify. Got a cross here. If I click on that, are you sure? You can set up launch your music in speaker settings anytime. Let's just cancel that. That's just to remove the bottom bit there. And then below, you've got the single speaker option. Clicking on there, party up, and this is where you can add in other speakers. So it's only one at the moment. And then this one, block party. DJ the party with friends on MEGABOOM 3. Tap plus to begin. Show me how. If I click there, the top one's me, and you can have other people adding in the device and playing music off there. So it says, have your friends connect to MEGABOOM 3 in their Bluetooth settings to become a guest DJ. If you leave this on, it will stay there. Once you've done, you can just click end this party. And there you go, closes off. So that's all the options you have available. Next, I've got my sound level meter here. So if I go quiet for a moment, ambient noise levels in the room are 35.5 decibels. Now let's test out the levels you get from this speaker. Let me pick some music, hit play, and let's go to the maximum. Okay, so we're getting around 92 decibels. So pretty loud for such a compact speaker. I've had a test of the Bluetooth speaker and really impressed by the sound quality. Bass, mid-range and treble seem very good in terms of coping with different types of music at maximum. No issues at all, no distortion in sound. Obviously it is controlled like many other Bluetooth speakers where they avoid when it gets to certain levels, it's sort of interfering with the sound quality. So very impressed and pleased by the sound quality given by it. Next, let me show how to add a second speaker in. With this scenario, if I turn it on, now what I've done with my original speaker is I've renamed it. So if I look here, I've called it MEGABOOM 3 Speaker 1, and dropping down Bluetooth here, you can see I've renamed it here by going to settings and rename. So now if I hold on to the pairing button, there you go. So it's flashing away, ready to pair. scanning on there, and if I scroll down, you can see MEGABOOM. If I click there, pair with MEGABOOM 3, okay to that, and there you go, second speaker's appeared. I can rename that so there's no confusion. That's added now. If we go back into the MEGABOOM app, you're presented with two speakers. Now if I pick the second one, it says just MEGABOOM 3, obviously I haven't renamed that one yet. And there you go, that's what you're presented with. Just for consistency, I can quickly rename it. And there you go. Now if we click here, and you can see the main speaker we've already got connected, and then the other one's just down there. So if I drag that up, the speakers are paired now. As you can see double and stereo there, so you can flip between the two. So you can have it as stereo as well, which is quite impressive, and double where it just duplicates the sound. Now if I drop down here, hit play, yeah, I can hear it on both, which is really cool. Let's flip over to stereo. And there you go. Excellent functionality. So you can pair up the two to either duplicate the same sound or work as stereo. So excellent bit of functionality here from the speakers. Next, let's test out the alarm feature on this speaker. If I click here, click on alarm, turn it on. Looking at the time, it's 30 at the moment, so 1:30. Let's change it to 1:32. Okay to that. Daily, so repeat the alarm every day. You can turn that on if we wanted or turn it off. Alarm music, so you can select the last played song. So select a song for the alarm, and alarm volume. So you can set the loudness on there, turn that up as well. Okay, now if I come back, and that's all that's involved in setting the alarm. Now in the background, let's turn this off and see what happens. Let's see if the alarm actually goes off now. Just seeing the speaker just turn on automatically. And I can hear it beeping away, the volume's getting louder. And it just keeps going, as you can see. There you go, very impressive functionality. So you can turn it off and it will turn on at the specified time and kick off. So let's click stop now. Next, I'm going to show the block party option. So if I click here and we click just on there. So this is my S10 Plus and this is my iPhone. Now you can see my S10 Plus is connected. If I go to my iPhone, Bluetooth wise, if I connect to the speaker as well, just give it a moment. There you go, it's connected. And you can now see on the app that my iPhone's connected. In terms of playing music, if I come back, go to the music on here, hit play, and let's increase the volume. There you go, so you can control the volume levels from here. Going back to the app, person who's playing, you can override and control the music level. And now if I drop this down, I can play music from my one. So it's taken over, it doesn't do any sort of mix in between. You can do a pause of it as well, or play it again. Kicks play on there off. And it flips back again. So cool functionality here, the fact you can have 3 devices connected and you can even control the volume on the other devices from the app. In terms of charging the Bluetooth speaker, if I take the cover up here, reveals the charging port, the cable plugs straight in there. I don't like the design of the cable in terms of plugging it in. You can see it's rectangular, but the slot is rounded. They should have just molded it so it's exactly like this, so when you push it in, it fits snugly. Now in terms of indicators, you've got a white light flashing here indicating it's charging. Coming around the top, nothing on there. If I hold on to the power, it's turned on, and if I hit play on my phone, there you go, it works. So you can play music while it's charging, and simple to charge as well. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing and setup of this Bluetooth speaker from Ultimate Ears. This is the MEGABOOM 3. Sound quality wise, it's really good. Good solid feel to the speaker as well, and nice design features considering how you increase and decrease the volume on there. Simple to pair up with your phone. Even has an app for additional functionality for controlling bass, mid-range and treble on there. The app also allows you to pair up the speaker with another one, so you can have a party mode, so multi-room surround if you wanted to, or more speakers in a single room. Only 2 negative points about the speaker. First one being it doesn't have an auxiliary input like many of the other speakers I've reviewed, and also doesn't have a mic, so if you wanted to use it as a speakerphone for instance, you couldn't do that. So there you go, hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this Bluetooth speaker. Details are in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.